Answered and let's get started. Hey guys, this is Prasant from Tech Answered and let's get started. Hey guys, before you start watching this video, I recommend you to go and watch previous video because there I have given the theoretical explanation of while and until loop. This tutorial will cover the practical demonstration of while and until loop. So please go and check out the previous video before watching this. So we have written a shell script for while loop. Let us see that. So let us see the contents of f2.sh. In this case, what I have done, I have again divided it in two parts. First part, I am taking a variable a and the value 10 is assigned to the variable. While 10 is greater than 5, do. Okay, so the loop statement, it is very clear for while loop. While condition is true, then do all the functionalities. So while 10 is greater than 5, echo creating directory. So it will display as if it is trying to create directory. I have given sleep to, okay, so this command sleep command is used in Linux shell script to make your program do nothing for the next 2 seconds. Okay, so next is mkdir $a. So for example, it will try to create a directory with value 10. Okay, so mkdir 10 will happen and directory with name 10 will get created. Then I am writing a equal to mathematical expression. So here you can see I have used expr command, which is used for mathematical expression evaluation. $a minus 2, 10 minus 2, 8. So the value of a became 8. While 8 greater than 5, again it will run creating directories, sleeping for 2 seconds, mkdir 8. 8 will display. Again a will become 8 minus 2 is 6. So while 6 is greater than 5, echo sleep to make directory 6, it will create directory 6. After that it will become 4. While 4 is greater than 5, this is wrong. So our program is done and this will display the output, which is directory 10, 8 and 6 created. Next up, what I want to see is that if those directories are created, I want to ask user whether they want to verify if the directories are created successfully or not. So in this case, again, I'm using a while loop, and as I discussed in the presentation that we can use colon to make all the conditions true. Since I do not have a condition to verify here, I am simply using colon here. While do, again echo directory created successfully, you want to ask user whether they want to verify by giving them choice y or n, means yes or no. Then again read choice. This choice must be read by Linux shell script to function accordingly. If $choice equal to y, a small y, or $choice equal to capital Y. Okay, so guys, here I already explained in my last tutorial video the uses of this. If the first command fails, then only second command will get executed. Okay, so here the user may enter small y or the user may enter capital Y. So I'm considering both the cases. If the user enters any of these values, okay, then next what will happen? So it will try to display the directories created. So directories created are, again I have to find the directories created at this location. Okay, so I cannot I can pinpoint all the directories created at the moment itself with this program, or I can try to say all the directories which are present at that location. So I have selected second option. So I'm using find dot hyphen type d hyphen print. So what this command will do, this part will try to find all the directories, okay, from this location onwards, okay, and it will try to print it. Okay, so type D means only which are directories and it will not display file. Next up, this output is going to a tr statement. So tr is nothing but translate. Okay, so the output of this command will be dot slash 10 dot slash 8 dot slash 6, because 10, 8, 6 are the directories which got created. Okay, so I want to remove dot slash so that I just want to print 10, 8 and 6. So I'm using translate dot slash to nothing but an extra space. So if I remove this space also, this command will work fine. Okay, so I will just replace the extra space in this case. Here I have replaced it, and then once the values directories created are displayed, then I'm writing break statement to break from this while loop and to come out of the program. Okay, else if user did not press small y or capital Y, so the user must have pressed small n or capital N. Again same testing for small n or capital N. If that is done, end of program. Okay, exit means the program should come out of this conditions. Else, if the user has entered some wrong values, because we have to make sure our loop is in control. If the user has put some numbers, say 10, 20, 30, 40, in that case the program should redirect accordingly. So else echo wrong choice, press N to exit. And here I will make use of continue statement. By writing continue statement, if user enters any wrong value, then this continue statement will allow this whole loop to run again. So again user will get this option, okay, and again the whole thing will continue, okay, unless and until user will press N to exit. Okay, so again I have started if loop, so I'm closing it with 5. I have started do and closing it with done. So guys, this is the program. Let us run it and let us see what is the output of this program. Again, to execute a cell program, sh space name of cell program. Here it is trying to create directories, so it will create 10, 8 and 6 as directories. Directories created successfully. Do you want to verify yes or no? Say for example, I am a guy who wants to dig more, so I am just typing random things to verify if our program is in loop or not. So it is clearly saying wrong choice, press N to exit. And this is happening again because of the continue statement that I passed. Whenever user enters any choice other than Y or N, user will get continue statement, and the program will get continue statement, so it will continue whole thing over and again. Okay, so now say user presses N. Okay, the moment user pressed N, end of program, and it came out of that. Okay, let us see if our directories got created or not. So now you can see 10, 8, 6 got created. Let me remove this directories and let me run the program one more time. Okay, so now as you can see here, the directories are gone, and let me run this program one more time. So sh s2.sh. Here again it is saying creating directories. If I had not deleted 1086, it will say directories are already existing, it cannot create. But now directories have been deleted, so it will create directory again. And let us say I want to press CY to verify whether the directories are created or not. In this case, directories created are okay. String 2 must not be empty. So let us just edit a bit and we can be on our way. So let me, I think it will not take it needs a space here. So let us just save this thing and try to run our program. So again I will first delete this folder so that it makes more sense to you. Okay, and now again let us run this program. Okay, so I'm running sh2.sh, creating directories. Now the directories got created, so I want to verify. I will press Y and hit enter. So the directories created are 10, 6 and 8. So you can also verify that by here. So see, the directories 10, 8, 6 got created. Okay guys, let us move to another command and another shell program which is called for until statement. So let us see s3.sh. Here I have kept it too simple. Okay, this until command will execute unless and until this condition is false. If this condition becomes true, until command will not work. Okay, so I have given the a as value 6. While 6 is greater than 10, this is a false. So this program will run echo $a means echo 6. A equal to expression $a plus 1. So value of A will become increasing by 1. So 6 plus 1, 7. If expression A percent 3 equal to 0, then break, else continue 5. Here our value is 7. 7% 3 is not equal to 0. So else a statement will run. So continue will happen. Continue means this loop will run again. Okay. So the value, it was printed 6 in the first attempt, and then it was incremented. So next value 7. Again 7 is greater than 10. This is a false statement. So this program will run one more time. So 7 will be printed. Again A will become 8. If 8 is percent 3 equal to 0, so it does not happen, then again continue. So 8 will again, 8 is greater than 10, so 8 will get printed. Echo $a, 8 will get printed. A equal to 9. So the value of A now becomes 9. If A percent 3 equal to 0, so 9% 3 is equal to 0, that is correct. Then break the program. So it will produce only 6, 7 and 8 as the output. Okay, now I have used if statement, so I am closing it with 5, and I have opened loop with do, I am closing it with done. So let us run this program and verify the output. So the output is 678. You can see it very well. So you can change this script as per your choice. You can change any value and you can verify what happens. If I give 2, so the program will display only 2, because the moment the value will become 3, it will break it. Okay, so let us run this. See, only 2 is printed. Okay, so likewise we have to understand different kind of requirements. So guys, these are some simple programs which I have explained to make sure that you can learn all these things and you can try to modify further things by yourself. And I will be bringing more and more practical examples to make you understand what exactly is Linux shell script and how we are working in it, and make sure it is becoming more and more easy for you guys, so that you can start writing shell script on your own. Okay, that is my basic idea. That is why I am writing such kind of program which you cannot find on internet. It is very simple how to create directories, files, folder, delete, update, how to automate your daily activities. So I will explain all the things to you guys. Okay, so if you like my content, please make sure to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you guys, take care, have a nice day.